All right, quick guide for the swivel seat. So first, we got this 7mm in metric with the adapter on here. This is used to take off the airbag sensor right there, just that bolt right there. You just unscrew it, pop it off, and make sure it's not stuck on anything. Now, next, you have these torque kits. I broke mine because I over torqued it, but it's a 40, and if that one breaks, the 30 worked okay. So you're gonna put this on your wrench. You have 4 of these around on each side here, and this is super easy. You just take it off. You pop those off. Now you can take off your seat. Now you gotta line up this, the new tray, to put that on, and you can put a washer in between them and put those back on each of them. Now to put the seat back on, I had to push on this part here so that it came forward, and I had to tap these forward until they were both lined up nicely. And once they were there and things were lining up, I had this on an angle so I could get each side of it basically. But you can see on this that they go upwards. If you go downwards, they'll get stuck. But if you go under, you go washer, put the bolt through, washer, bolt on there. Now, it was kind of hard to get it to line up on some spots. I even had to kind of push on the metal a little bit to get it. It's like they want to bow out a little bit. But once you find everything where it's supposed to sit on the holes, then everything lines up, and then you can tighten it down. We had this one here, 1/2 on that one with a 1/2 to hold the other side, and you just tighten those down. Now, this right here, some people just cut this off. I didn't have a saw, so what I did is I just got this hot and I hit it with a hammer a lot until it worked. And it's not pretty, but it gets the job done. You will need to reconnect this, which is just as simple as putting it back on and screwing it back on. You also want to make sure there's some clips going all the way down through here that it might be connected to. Just pull those out. They are easy to disconnect. You want to make sure you have enough slack for when you pull it back through the hole here and connect it there. That's it. Everything rotates around there. So yeah, you just got to get everything to line up, and it's pretty basic after that. Not too bad.